Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with the video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Skullcandy Sesh. Done an unboxing recently of it, and yeah, it's been about a month now of me using this, and I decided to do a review like I said in the last video. So what do I think of it? I think for the money they're very good. There's a lot of improvements that could be done, but for the money they are very good, especially if you can get it on a sale. Then they're very good for the value. If you're an investor, I'd give you a PE rating of 8. That's how good of a deal this is. If you understand investing, you understand what I mean by that. Okay, so I'll tell you the bad points about this, I guess. Okay, so charging is very good. I've actually never had to run out of charge with this, because I just plug it back into this and it charges while I do my shit. Oh shit, sorry. Oh my god. This magnetic case, there you go. Okay, so my main issue with this is every so often one of these earbuds will disconnect while I'm listening to music, which is a bit weird, but then it'll reconnect after a few seconds. But it's a bit weird when you listen to music, because it just go double ear to one ear and then it'll come back after a few seconds. That only happens every so often, but it's noticeable and it's pretty annoying. So yeah, especially if you're working out or something. So I've been using this for everything, working out, running, whatever, just going about my day and outside and stuff. So noise cancellation is got none, but because they're so far in your ear, you literally can't hear anything anyway, so you don't really need noise cancellation, and this is pretty good. The microphone on this is pretty shit. It's usable, but it's very shit. So that's what I've been told anyway by my friends. So don't expect anything good from this in microphone wise, but the audio is very good. If I was to compare it to my Sony red ones I have, not wireless ones, with wired, it doesn't come, it's not far off from it, but it is very close. So the Sony beats it, but I'm saying this is very close, so it's not bad. And it's about double the price of the Sony's, but this is wireless, so it's not bad at all. And this is for sport, I guess. And yeah, I can definitely wear this for a couple of hours. It's quite comfortable. Yeah. Now, would I recommend this? Definitely. Especially if you can get it on sale price, so go for it. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching.